Welcome to BazaarParts, your trusted partner for high-quality spare parts and industrial equipment across the MENA region. In this video, we will show you how to search for parts on our site. Searching for parts on our site is simple and easy. Simply, go to the upper left of your screen and click on the field that says, "Got a part number?" Here you will type the part number or item that you are searching for. As you are typing, the system will auto-populate the results based on your search. Say that you are searching for a dresser rand thrust bearing T101411. Simply type it in the field, and there you have it. The system will bring up the results of the search. Searching for your part couldn't be more easier. Can't find what you are looking for? Here at BazaarParts, we are here to help. Simply, send us a request. Fill out the form and, in no time, we'll get back to you and provide a commercial offer. Thank you for watching. Here at BazaarParts, we are dedicated to making sourcing easy and efficient. We can't wait to help serve you in the future.